Councillor Asghar to come on the stage and say a few words. Councillor Asghar is the Labour Councillor for Government of the Richmond Hill and a very active member of the Council. Thank you.
My respected brothers, sisters, respected chief guests, Member of Parliament, parliamentarian candidates, fellow councillors, come to lead this. A very good evening and assalamu alaikum. It gives me great pleasure, privilege to be here this evening. On the celebration of the Shaheed of Kashmir, Mr. Maqbool Bhat, on the 31st anniversary of his death. Before I begin, can I congratulate the team of JKNAIA for organising this event in Leeds, the second biggest authority in the UK. As a local councillor, as the chair of this area, and I welcome everyone to here this evening. As you know, on the 11th of February 1984, Shaheed Kashmir, Mr. Maqbool Bhat, was hanged in prison. I asked, what was his crime? Let me tell you, his crime was that he was campaigning for the freedom of people of Kashmir from the atrocities which are taking place now and then as well. On a daily basis, young people are murdered, killed. Our sisters, mothers, aunties are being raped. This afternoon, I give my pledge that I will make sure I will lobby my Member of Parliament and the Parliaments I know, my friends, and I will make sure I will echo the atrocity of what's happening in Kashmir, and we want our freedom, we want a referendum for the people of Kashmir. I ask you to endorse as well and give a pledge that you, everyone sat in this hall, go to see your Member of Parliament and make sure you give the awareness and educate the atrocity of what happens in Kashmir. Once again, can I say thank you for inviting me this evening, and I hope you enjoyed the rest of the event. Thank you very much.